Come test drive this 2018 Toyota Land Cruiser. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. It includes heated seats, front and rear reading lights, a headlight cleaning system, power moonroof, a power liftgate, and seat memory. Passengers in the third row enjoy seat-back reclining functionality, providing an extra level of comfort and convenience. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 14 speakers, yielding maximum audio versatility. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including front and rear side impact airbags, anti-whiplash front head restraints, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Adaptive Cruise Control maintains a preset distance behind the car ahead of you, simplifying highway driving and enhancing safety. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.